All right, all you freedom-loving boys and girls. Hey, we're out here putting in some work, confirming some zeros, ACOG, irons, RMR, handgun, just confirming zeros, just getting in some, just again, putting in the work. But I got a little bit of bad news. So we're out here. Look, even 25 meters away, it's a good idea to have a set of binos. You really should be walking, to your target set, do a string of 3, come up, look at it, confirm. Matter of fact, we'll do a string from 300 here as well. So even though I've zeroed my ACOG, we'll still go out and confirm it at 300 on some steel. But okay, BABs, the badass bag. It's great for a set of binos. But I'm sitting here today and we've got the meat bag coming out. And I hate to say it, BABs is probably going to go away. So, if you want one, you might want to reach out. Maybe we'll do a limited run of BABs. But the reason I'm just thinking about it is because here I am. So binos, so I can sit there in glass and see what we're doing per string. But I'd like it just a little bit larger, which is what the meat bag will be, because then I could have my rangefinder in there. I could have my screwdrivers, my tools, as I'm making my adjustments, X, Y, and Z. So hate to say it, BABs, you might want to get in on it. Once we open back up in October, I think BABs is going to be gone. I might leave it open just for a little bit because we hopefully will have the meat bag prototyped and ready to go close to that time as well. So maybe we'll run BABs for just a little bit, but I'm here to tell you, I like it for just kind of like around town and stuff. But for what we're doing here, a little bit larger would have been better. Meat bag, I think that's what's going to happen. So you know the deal. If you got questions, comments, reach out anytime. I'll do the best I can to help you out. Until then, keep thinking, keep moving, never quit. All right, everybody, be good. Woo!